Hi and welcome to 51 Grandview Avenue, Macedon. I know you're going to love this home. Have a look at it. Floor to ceiling glass with fantastic views, made out of completely recycled timber from an old wharf and corrugated iron. Let's go inside and take the tour. Well, thanks for taking the tour. 51 Grandview Avenue, that's the address, and grand views, I'm sure you'll agree. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call, Robert Hall, 0419 388 778. Otherwise, I look forward to meeting you at one of our many open for inspections.